Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week so far, and welcome to this new video and update on SUI. SUI that yesterday got very close to the all-time highs. The all-time highs, as you can see right here, is around 2.18. And I still think we are going for new all-time highs, but we'll talk about that in this video. Yesterday, for those of you who are interested in SUI-related content, I made a video on the best projects, in my opinion, in the SUI ecosystem, which is very much growing at this point of time, which you can see right here. The best SUI projects, or SUI is the next Solana. A little bit of clickbait, but if you're interested in that, check that out. But in general, SUI has done very, very well. We managed to get the breakout above 1.9, 1.95, the main breakout we've been talking about for quite a while. And even when the market has been very volatile, and Bitcoin has been quite bearish as well for the last like 17 hours, SUI has been able to hold this level and has been able to hold the breakout. So I cannot be anything but bullish on SUI. If you look at the ecosystem, you can see DEX trading volumes are also very, very high and getting towards new all-time highs. Daily transactions have new all-time highs, I believe, or at least local highs. Total value locked is up to $1.1 billion. So I do want to kind of warn you, it looks like this is a big scale marketing campaign. All right, everybody is talking about SUI. I'm not paid, by the way. If only I was paid. If you work at SUI, you can contact me. No, just kidding. But no, there's some sort of a big marketing campaign. They're paying YouTubers, they're paying people on Twitter, they're paying developers, they're putting out grants. So this is one big marketing campaign to kind of push SUI into those best blockchains. So that is what you should know. That means that there's a lot of money going into this. That also means that at some point of time, those people will take profits. So be aware of that. But at this point of time, like I said, purely technically and fundamentally, you cannot be anything but bullish on SUI. So I do think on the short term, because the markets are so volatile, I do think you need to be prepared for some sort of a fake out, right? If SUI if SUI breaks down below 1.9 and 1.95 again, we can dump down hard, because then this was a fake out, and then we'll be back at 1.6 before you know. So you should be prepared for that. But ultimately, what still looks most likely at this point of time, even though the momentum is dropping down a bit, it still looks most likely, the longer we find balance on top of this previous range, the more likely it becomes that we'll break above the previous all-time high. And if we break above the previous all-time high, we're in price discovery. And price discovery, if Bitcoin is bullish, which is not the case on the lower time frames right now, can deliver very, very high prices. I would say the first real price target would be 2.5 for SUI, maybe 2.25, as that is also a strong psychological resistance level. But the main level to break is 2.18. There's not a lot of momentum right now, so I would say it's most likely we'll kind of consolidate for now. But ultimately, the bullish breakout does seem most likely. This changes a little bit if Bitcoin turns very bearish this week. So keep an eye on that as well. But for now, I would say this is most likely. All right, so the moment you actually do see open interest, aka momentum coming back in, and it looks like we're going to break above 2.1, 2.15, we probably are going to. So those are kind of the two scenarios you need to be aware of. And given the current circumstances and given what's happening to SUI, I would say the bullish breakout is what you need to be prepared most for. But ultimately, just know what's going on, know what the most likely direction for now is, and know the key levels. All right, key levels, in my opinion, now are 2.1 and 1.9. Wait for one of those two levels to break with momentum, with volume, and then you know some more about the short-term direction as well. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.